Hi there, it's Ina here and welcome to my art room. Thank you for subscribing to my channel and please click the bell icon to receive notifications of all my regular uploads. Now today I will be painting and I picked a 10 by 10 canvas and will use acrylic paints. I first start with black to cover more or less half of my background, and then I made myself a very colorful palette using heavy body acrylic paints, as I also want to use my palette knife. Now the piece of painter's tape here will help me to create a nice crisp edge. Now this video is part of a collaboration called #Paintingisfun, and many YouTube artists have gotten together to create videos for this event, and the link to all those videos will be below in my description box, so please do take a look and give everybody a visit. Now, a few years ago, when I finally regained some time to be creative, I started by painting, and I did that for about 2 years before I got sidetracked into mixed media. And I did take a couple of classes, nothing very extensive, just some local few-hour-long classes. So I'm mainly self-taught, and I still have a lot to learn, including how to use a palette knife properly. Right here, I am really scraping the canvas way too much because I'm being too stingy with my paint. So the coverage is really not great. But after I'm done with the first coat, I let everything dry and I give it a second coat. And that makes everything look a lot better. So I'm absolutely not an expert and I wouldn't call this video a tutorial. You're basically just going to watch me paint. So here is my second coat all dry and you can see it looks way better. I also went ahead and colored the edges, and now I use my painter's tape one more time because I want to create a light source. To do so, I will mix my white acrylic paint with some glazing medium. It just makes it more translucent. Now the whole painting will be a combination of an abstract background and a bit of a still life. I'm not sure what you would call it. So here we go. Now painting is something I do intuitively, so there isn't much for me to explain. I don't have fancy techniques or style, so I would like you to just enjoy the process. I will give you some music to listen to, and most of the process is sped up just a little bit because I'm a very slow painter and I don't want to bore you. But there are a couple of parts which are the normal speed, just that you can see how long it takes me to do a painting. So please enjoy and I will talk to you a little later. Now you would really think that I would call it done by now, but no, I had to go back for more details. Now detailing is something I really enjoy in my paintings as well as in my mixed media. Now spending the afternoon on this painting was really a lot of fun. I haven't painted a full canvas in a while. As I said, I'm more into my mixed media projects, but I should do it more often. It is a very relaxing and peaceful time, and a lot less messy than working on my other projects. Now, I usually prefer to do my paintings on an easel, but my camera just didn't have the right angle for that, and I hope you didn't mind my gray hair being in the way once in a while. Now, as soon as I'm done with detailing my brushes, I also add some shadow, again using some glazing medium with my black acrylic paint. And then, of course, I need to touch up the corner down there a little bit so it will stand out and not disappear into the shadows. So now it's done. I hope you enjoyed this time with me and you liked my painting, and maybe, just maybe, watching me paint inspired you to give it a try. That's it for me today. Thank you so much for coming. Please take a look at all the other videos. See you really soon again, and bye bye for now.